Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and this is Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls is on the southern part of Africa. It's on the Zimbabwe and Zambia border. In this video, I'll take you on a walking tour showing you Victoria Falls from different viewpoints along the way. To tour, they have different prices depending on if you're an international person or a local. The international, if you're from another country other than Zambia, is $30 per person. And this is what it looks like when you first enter. You pay your ticket, you get in through these gates right here, and then this is the area you see. The way to the falls, and then they have the restaurant. Way to the falls is that way, and then they have, this is maps showing you around when you first get in, and then there's a restaurant, you can go there and eat. This is pretty neat. This is, they have a refilling station of water, so you can get some fresh water here, bring your bottle, fill it up, you're good to go. This way to the falls. As we begin our walk, look at this area, all nice and green, beautiful. And then you'll see some rules here. Please do not feed any wild animals. Don't walk off the prescribed pathways and other rules. And there's number one stop that we, honoree of the statue himself, Mr. Livingstone. Check that out. So this is number two. There's 38 steps. I'm gonna go down these steps right here. Being that it's rainy, it's probably gonna be a little slippery, but I'll take my chances. This is what it looks like going over the edge. Imagine that. This is the very start of where that waterfall starts to really go over. And now this is the other end of that water coming over that you just saw falling down, forming that waterfall and going down into the river. There's another waterfall way off over there in the distance. So this is the area, and look out at the waterfall from this angle. Up close and personal. And then you walk this way and you see this sign here, 350 meters to the main waterfall. So now the real fun begins. So now this is the full frontal. Remember the first shot I showed you of the river and then it going down? Now this is the actual fall coming down into the river from this angle. This is considered viewpoint number 3. And look at, check that out. And then over here, more of the main waterfall as it falls down over there. So just a few steps away is viewpoint number 4. And let's see what this angle of the falls, of the main waterfall looks like. Check out this angle, look at that, all the way down. And then just a little bit of ways is the other waterfall. And then number 5 is this way. Let's go check it out. Again, this is part of the main falls series right here. So now, this is a whole different little walkway here. We can see that waterfall, but now we're approaching the bigger horseshoe one over here off in the distance. There's that angle right there of that one we've been tracking the whole ways. And then here's the other, the bigger waterfall. Look at this. This is number 7. Again, part of the main falls series on the walk. And then so this is now number 8 of the main falls series. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to receive more of this informative content, please subscribe to the channel. I post a new video every week. And point number 9, this way. So from this angle, number 9, with the fog and the rain and the doesn't really appear to be that outstanding. Here's number 10. So number 9 was a little disappointment. Let's see if number 10 can pick it up. So this is number 10. So this angle's proving to be a little bit better. Number 11. So this is like the creme de la creme right here. Look at this. And this is number 12. Look at that. Extending to where we were at right there at number 11. Oh, this is awesome right here. It doesn't get any better than this from the falls. Getting a nice close-up view of it. Notice how the water's coming, shooting up from down below and all over the place. See those people right there? They're there to swim in the Devil's Pool. These are pools that are formed just before the waterfall in the summer when the waterfall is not as strong. As you can see the waterfall off there in the distance, but the time of the year that it is, the waterfall is not happening on this end. And see, in normal times this would be filled with water coming over the edge. And now it is dried up, but look at down below. You can see a little bit of water, but come. And there it is, look at that, off in the distance. And this is what I'm talking about. This horseshoe part of it right here is completely empty with no waterfall, and then it picks up right on over here. So let's take this little off the beaten path here and see where it leads us to. Check that out, it's a long ways down. And this is the final stop here. Check this out. Went all the way down from this angle. And then we got some rocks that we can climb up here and check out this view from up here. Okay, so as I climb up these rocks, this is unexpected. Pretty nice, look at here. Whoa! Look at that. And you can see more of the separation right there between the two. So what I did in this video was walk way over there and then all along this ridge over here to where I'm at now. Spectacular, the beautiful Victoria Falls, and I still have the bridge to go, so I'm not done yet. And this is the bridge right here going to Zambia, right there. That's the bridge as we are on the border of Zimbabwe and Zambia, and that over there is Zambia. If you would like to see my other videos on Africa, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.